So this is for chicken korma I make, which is not, so I'm not making it authentically Indian, but it's the way my family like it. So I mixed tenders with chicken thighs today because it was not enough chicken. And then this is like a mix I make. And then it's this one, Kashmir. I think that's because it's from the Pakistani region, but it's garam masala, which has many seasonings in it. Punjabi tandoori because it's red and it kind of gives a little tang. Tikka masala. Masala just means seasoning mix, I believe. Tandoori masala. And this is like a shawarma blend, but I just take a little bit out. And that is smoked paprika. And then my seasoning blend. So it takes a lot of those to mix it up. So here, so normally I would have ghee, but I do not have ghee. So I'm gonna cook it in a lot of butter. And it's very, very tasty. So I start with this top, and as I go down, I will season the rest of them. Every time you can add seasoning on every layer is a good day. Once the butter is like that, I start now. So I'll I turn that around, so I'll do this. Take up the left extra from top, and you just start laying them out. Now, chicken thighs are usually what Indians use, that I know of Indians anyway, because it's more succulent. And so I'm glad that my family has finally been okay with that, instead of always doing chicken breast or chicken tenders, because these can hold up to more cook time and more simmer and still not lose flavor. Remember, fat is flavor. Fat is flavor. So you know I'm flavorful. Here it goes in. And I usually like to flip them a few times. And then when I bring them back in here with the gravy, they finish and cook in the sauce, the curry sauce, which is korma curry. And here is the final paste, which is seasonings, garlic, ginger, onion. It kind of gets squished up to a paste with olive oil and all the seasonings I showed earlier. And then you blend it so there's no lumps in it. It's delicious. And then at the end, when the chicken is done, you put that in with the chicken, cook the rest of the chicken in it, and then you put cream at the end. Now, usually they cook their chicken in tandoori, which is like a very hot oven. So I like to get like a char, not a char, but like a grill on it. So it duplicates as much as I can that flavor. Don't mind my son, he's playing a game on Oculus. So here, that's the last bit that I would sear. All done. When that's done, I put all of that back in. And I put some organic chicken stuff just to the top of the meat so it cooks. And I check the temperature of the chicken so it's safe to consume. And so when all the chicken broth is gone, that's when you can start mixing salsas and stuff. So there, now I have poured organic chicken broth. I did not make that myself this time. So I used that with low sodium. And I covered the chicken just about, and I let it cook so that I am sure that the chicken is safe and at temperature. This buys me time to clean up since I'm making several different dishes. Yummo! Down to this, that's when I add the curry paste, onion, garlic, yummies. And when this is cooked up more and warmed up this, because this is clearly not cooked, they're clearly cold because it's a paste, then I will add cream, heavy cream at the end, and voila. So it's gonna smell like BO in the house, but it's delicious. Last step for the curry, korma, is cream. Yummo! And that's when it's gonna get that tan yellow color. Yum! Here's the korma with rice. And here is naan bread that you break up and eat. Yummo!